Now we are here at the another part of this practical session. Here you can see the board. The very first work, if you want to do practical in your MySQL, the first work is you have to create your individual database. Right? For that the command is create database HDI. In the previous class we have created a database. Name of that database is HDI by using this command create database HDI. Right, database is created now. Now the next work is we have to move inside the database, and for that the command is use HGI. Clear? Now we are here inside the database. अब क्या करें? Database के अंदर in MySQL you can create different tables in a particular database. So our task is, our work is, we are going to create tables inside the HGI database. Right? What is table? Just see, table is a collection of different datas. And the datas are arranged into rows. These are the rows. If you can see the table, 3 rows are there in the table. So datas are collected in a row and different columns. So if you want to create the same table in your MySQL, the command, what are the commands for that? So our third topic is how to create table in a database. For table creation, it is compulsory that you are inside the database. Clear? So how to create a table? What is the command for table creation? If you want to know, the command for table creation is create. Simple English word create. Then you have to leave a space, create space, table space, then the name of the table, you are going to write the name over here. Clear? The command is create space, table space, name of the table. If the table name is info, so I am going to write info over here. Clear? Now just press enter after this line, and at the next line, as you can see from there, MySQL prompt, यहाँ पे मैंने सेमीकोलन नहीं लगाया था, so automatically it will convert into this arrow symbol. So in the second line of this command, one small bracket, open small bracket, you have to write. It is there in the second command, second line. Now again press enter. At the third line, I have written A something, then space B, then space C, A B C. And one space is there in between all these three, and then after this line one comma is there. It is a comma, simple, not semicolon. Just see, it is a comma only, right? So this is the structure, this is the syntax of this create table command, and after that at the last line you just close the small bracket with semicolon. Clear on? So it is the syntax of this command. Just see the syntax again. Here, now the main thing is what is A, what is B, and what is C, right? These are something. A, what is A? A represents name of the column. Here if you can see the table, the first column name is RNO, the second column name is name, then the third one fees, city. So instead of A, you are going to write the name of the column that you want to create inside the table. Clear? What is B? B means data type of the column. किस type का data इस column के अंदर आप डालना चाहते हो? If you want to see the roll number column, 101, 102, 103, all are non-decimal values, all are integer values. So the data type of this column, it is integer. Clear? If you can see name column, what is there in name? String, group of alphabets. And for group of alphabet, the data type is either character or you can write var character. Clear? Then the third one, fees column. The fees column contains decimal values. Just see the value 1200.00. It is a decimal value, and for decimal column, for the decimal data type, we can use float. याद आ रहा है Python? What is there in Python? Integer, float, string. These all are there, and all the things are here also in MySQL. So it is a float column, and now the last one, city. It contains alphabet second, so it is a character column, right? So A stands for name of the field, name of the column. B stands for data type of the column, which particular type of data you are going to insert inside the column. ये MySQL को पहले बताना पड़ता है. Now C, what is C? C is known as constraint or condition, right? If you want to put any condition on a particular column, then we have to write the condition at this place. For example, the first constraint is unique. Unique means if you write unique over here, it means the particular column contain unique values only. If you are going to write a duplicate value, going to insert a duplicate value in the column, error आएगा तो. The second constraint, second example of constraint, it is not null. If you put not null in front of a column in MySQL, अब उस कॉलम को MySQL खाली नहीं छोड़ने देगा, आपको कोई ना कोई वैल्यू उस कॉलम में डालनी ही पड़ेगी. So some constraints are there such as unique, not null, then check, default, primary key. These are the constraints in future we are using with this particular concept. Now, so it is the format. Clear? Now we are going to start the practical section. Practical section means how we can create the same table in MySQL. What is the command for that, right? So here we are going to start the table creation. For table creation, you can see MySQL prompt. It is there on your monitor, right? You need not to write it. It is already there. In front of this MySQL prompt, just write the table creation command. CREAT, create, then table, space, then the name of the table, it is info. So INFO, info, no semicolon, नहीं लगाया. सेमीकोलन कब लगता है? जब सारी कमांड खत्म हो जाएगी, उसके बाद में आपको सेमीकोलन लगाना है. So it is the first line of the command only. Create table info. Then in the second line, you just open the small bracket like this. Then again enter. At the third line, we are going to create the very first column of the table. So here write the first column name. In the third line, RNO, it is the column name. Space, what is the data type of that column? This column data type is integer, so int in. Clear? मुझे कोई कांस्टेंट, कोई कंडीशन नहीं लगानी है. मैं वो सी वाला पार्ट छोड़ भी सकता हूं. मैंने यहाँ पे रोल नंबर इंटीजर और सीधा सेमीकोलन लगा दिया. इट इज ए, इट इज बी, सी इज नॉट देयर इन दिस लाइन. Clear? Now, how to create the second column? Name of the second column is NAME, name. Data type, it is character. And just put the size, maximum size of this column. I have written 25, means computer give me a 25 size column, right? I can enter maximum 25 alphabets in that particular column. Clear? So it is the size. Again I am going to put comma. No C part, no constant. अभी मैं जो टेबल बना रहा हूँ मुझे उसमें कोई कंडीशन नहीं डालनी, सिंपल सी टेबल बनानी है, तो मैं C वाला पार्ट हटा देता हूँ. But A and B, these two parts are compulsory. C is an optional part. You can remove, you can put. It's on you only. So it is the second column. Now again एरो सिंबल इज देयर. अभी एरो क्यों आ रहा है? मैंने कहीं भी सेमीकोलन नहीं लगाया. जैसे ही मैं सेमीकोलन लगा के एंटर कर दूंगा, करते कमांड एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी, फिर एरो नहीं आएगा, सीधा कमांड का रिजल्ट आ जाएगा और उसके बाद MySQL प्रॉम्प्ट आ जाएगा. सो एट द थर्ड लाइन नेम इज देयर. नाउ द थर्ड कॉलम इट इज फीस. जस्ट राइट द कॉलम नेम FWS फीस ओवर हियर. द डेटा टाइप ऑफ दिस कॉलम इट इज फ्लोट, तो FLOAT फ्लोट ओवर हियर, देन कॉमा. डन. नाउ द लास्ट कॉलम, the name of the column is city, so just put city. And then what is the data type of this column? It is character. अब यहाँ पे देखो city, city is there in 3 alphabets only, KOL, JPR, DEL, DL for Delhi. So in this column we have to put 3 alphabet only. तो यहाँ पे मैं size क्या दूंगा? अभी character small bracket, just put 3. Right? Because only 3 alphabets we can write. Maximum 3 alphabets we can enter in this column, not more than 3. कम कितने भी डाल सकते, एक भी डालो, दो भी डालो, 3 से ज्यादा नहीं होगा. So all these 4 columns have created of this table. Now my task is over. At the last, in the next line, I am going to close the small bracket. Here I have opened the small bracket and here I am going to close it with semicolon. जैसे ही अब मैं यहाँ semicolon लगा दिया, now if I press enter at this line, the command will execute. This table will be created in MySQL. Clear? Just check it out. और सीधा इसके बाद you can see MySQL prompt just after that. Once the command is executed, MySQL prompt appears again. Clear up? So by this command we can create a table. Now I come to the another part. अब अपन ये discuss करते हैं. The table is same, but we are going to create the table with some conditions on the particular column, on the particular field. Suppose आपको ये बोला गया कि ये जो टेबल आप बना रहे हो, इन दैट कॉलम रोल नंबर फील्ड कंटेन्स नो डुप्लीकेसी. अपने को पता है रोल नंबर इज नॉट अ डुप्लीकेट एंटिटी फॉर अ स्टूडेंट. सो आपको बोला गया रोल नंबर कॉलम इट शुड बी यूनिक. जस्ट सेट the arguments according to the unique feature of the column. दूसरा आपको कंडीशन मिलेगी नेम कॉलम ये नॉन ब्लैंक होना चाहिए, इसको खाली नहीं छोड़ना है. ऐसी कोई कंडीशन के साथ अपने को टेबल बनानी है. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, हियर द नेम ऑफ द टेबल इज info2, right? info2. Now I am going to write the command for that. The command is the same, MySQL. The prompt is there. In front of this prompt, create, then table, and the name of the table it is info2 now. Clear? Then in the next line, open the small bracket. Done. Then again press enter. If when you are going to press enter, the arrow symbol it is going on continuously. Now here at the third line, my first column is RNO. So my command is RNO. Very first I have to write the column name, then space. What is the data type of this column? It is integer. Part A, column name. Part B, data type. So A is roll number, B is integer. Now we are here at the third point. It is C. C means constant. Here the condition of this column is unique. Right? Now the unique constant I am going to apply in this line at the last. Unique, then comma. Done. Next column it is name. So here name, then character or var character. There are two different data types for storing the string or group of alphabet in MySQL. Character, var character. In the next class we will discuss on the different data types of MySQL and on the different constraint of MySQL, right? So here name, character 25 or 30, the maximum size which you want to use. Then after that here in the question the condition is non-blank. The name column should not leave blank. तो इसके लिए मैं अभी constant लगा देता हूँ, not null, not space, then null. It is the constant of this column, and then at the last I have to put comma. Here just check the line. Now the third column it has no condition, it has no constant in the question. So the third column it is created as it is, FWS fees. Then here it is float, and if no condition is there, just put comma over here without any constant. Constant part it is optional. I am telling you again, students, it is optional. Now the fourth column, just check the fourth column. Is there any condition on that column or not? City, कोई कंडीशन नहीं. As it is बनाना है अपने को. सीधा आ गए यहाँ पे in the fourth line ICIT, then here CHAR character size is 3. It is the last column of the table. Just see the create table command. After each and every line, comma is there. Comma, comma. Then here in the third line also comma. लास्ट कॉलम जब आप टेबल का बनाओगे उस समय आपको लास्ट लाइन में कॉमा नहीं लगाना. जस्ट रिमूव द कॉमा फ्रॉम द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ द क्रिएट टेबल कमांड. जस्ट प्रेस एंटर एंड हियर जस्ट क्लोज द ब्रैकेट विद सेमीकोलन. डन. Semicolon will be there at the last line of the command. Done. So this is the command. Just check it out. And the most important thing is the last column of the table here, if you use comma, then it is wrong. Just remove the comma from the last line and apply the command, execute the command. Clear? It's all for the day. Thank you.